Hello, I'm here in front of the management office. It's the borough office. This is where Patricia Canty had to call Dr. Reva Levine in order to get permission to call 911 in order to save Mrs. Green's life by the FDNY saving her life, going to the apartment and resuscitating her. I watched it. I watched her being resuscitated. Okay? By that she had suffered brain damage. Okay? And she's right across there. This is 170th Street. I'm going to 175 to see Mrs. Green for the last time, because after everybody realizes I was able to infiltrate everybody, the DA's office. I got in there, I talked to Bianca, I charmed the shit out of her, and I put the poison pill of the web address in her hand. When they saw the freaking horror show, then the DA wanted to come after my ass. They did down to the Giuliani administration, and Fox Fly blasted that on the internet. It's my girl. Alright, this is it right here. The Queensboro Management Office. This is where they have knowledge of criminal activity of NYCHA, and they've covered it up. Covered it up. Let's go see Mrs. Green for the last time in life. I want to tell her, none of them should be forgiven by God if she should die before me. None of them should be forgiven by God, and their life should turn to shit just like mine. I want revenge. I want goddamn payback.